mid-October. Wife and I went out to run a few errands and actually found a couple of yard sales, which is rare for this time of year in Michigan. And I was actually able to find a little bit of silver. We went to 2 different yard sales. This is Revere Silversmiths Sterling reinforced with cement is what that says. It's not coming in very well. There we go. Now I can read it. It was 75 cents. Basically what this is a candlestick that's all cement. It was damaged, and I looked online. They're really not worth a whole lot anyway. So what I'm going to do is just take this apart. I'm going to show you what these have in them, what the weight of these are when you start in grams, which it's 170 grams. Most of this is going to be cement. So when I tear it apart, I'm going to weigh just this sterling film, which is probably only going to be a few grams. I'll be surprised if it's any more than that. But I'm sure a lot of you guys come across these at yard sales or auctions or whatever and really don't know what they're worth, because so much of the weight is just this resin inside. So I'll take this apart and we'll weigh up the sterling and see what's actually in here. The bottom plate just pops right off. Cool little impression into the resin. Just out of curiosity, I'll weigh up the back plate. 5 grams. Yep, about 5 grams. I just use little cutters and pull this off. It's just slightly thicker than tin foil, basically. So this is what is left over when you're done. A little bit of resin. That's the cement. There was a little brass rod in there, and this is the sterling that's left, and I'll weigh up the sterling and see how much that is. So that's what's left over, about 19, almost 20 grams, plus the brass rod is another 8 grams. So I paid 75 cents for the sterling that you see here, about 19.6 grams, which isn't too bad. Left with a little pile of resin. But as you can see, out of 170 grams, only 20 of that is sterling. So just keep that in mind the next time you buy one of those candlesticks, that it's mostly just stuff you're going to throw away. Thanks for watching.